The bull run in the stock market thrilled investors at the end of the year, but then there was that pause and some drops in the market. Let's bring in Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives. Tim, explain why a bit of a pause in a bull run could signal that the market is about to pop.
Yeah, I think over the long run, absolutely periods of consolidation, get people time to kind of trim out of positions, add to positions for the next leg higher. So usually sideways action like that, Angie, is definitely healthy for the market rather than those, kind of parabolic moves. We always kind of know how those end. So a slow, steady climb and then a rest period usually can be a sign of a further leg higher. We'll see if it is true this time or not.
It's primary election season. Does that matter to the market?
I don't think so. I think, as we get closer to the election, certainly who the front runner clearly is between the two major candidates, I think will probably have an effect on the market. But I think the market is really looking at, we have the, big names coming out over the next week or so with earnings, the Apples and Microsofts of the world. So I think that will tell the story where this market wants to head. We're really, we're at all-time highs on the S&Ps, but not with conviction. So it'll be interesting to see with 10-year yield still around 4%, how high they can take this without rates being cut.
What's your trade of the day, Tim?
Yeah, looking at Rumble, RUM, which was a kind of quiet stock till Barstool Sports kind of chattered about it. They have a partnership deal. The stock has headed higher, but the option prices have lifted to the moon here, especially in the February's. IV last week was under 100, now approaching 200. So I'm jumping in, buying the stock, selling these very expensive calls, positioning really for the stock to kind of settle down around the mid-5 level. I'll capture some very nice premium in the meantime.
Thank you, Tim.
You bet, anytime, Ange. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.